Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix to avoid interruptions to your subscriptions and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So guys, if you're facing this problem while using your Apple ID and using your payment method, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to simply sign out your Apple ID in your iPhone for one time, and then you will have to restart your device, and then you will have to sign back again your Apple ID in your iPhone again to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open up your settings, and from here open up your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on sign out. So I simply sign out your Apple ID for one time and then restart your device, and after this sign back again your Apple ID from here. So as once you sign back your Apple ID, then check if the problem is fixed or not. So as after this, go for the other solution. If you're still facing this problem, that is you will have to open up your settings again in your iPhone, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on payment and shipping. Wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to simply verify your payment method in here. So guys, simply verify your credit card number and then date of expiry and then security code, which is given in the back side of your debit or credit card. And after this you will have to add your billing address correctly. So for that, tap on your billing address from here, and from here add your first name and surname correctly, and after this add the streets, and from here add your city, and after this add your country and give the postcode for your city correctly. So as all these information must be correct, and after this add your country or region according to your debit or credit card from here. So guys, don't make mistakes while filling all of these fields, and after this you will have to add your phone number according to your debit or credit card. So guys, add all these fields correctly, and after this tap on done and save your information in your Apple ID. So guys, after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So as if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to contact Apple support on your device. So for that, open up your any browser and search here for support.apple.com. Here it is, and from here you will have to simply select your device, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here you will have to tap on get support. So as from here you can easily get any support regarding this problem in your iPhone. So as once you connect to the Apple authorities, they will try to fix this problem for you and they will help you out. So this is the way to fix this problem. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.